Hello and welcome back to another vlog. We're starting out with our first day. We're going to Brugge in Knokke for the beach. So yeah, we gotta catch our bus to a train, to another train. So let's get going with that and I'll update you later. Made it to Knokke. Everyone else, my two other roommates, stopped off at Brugge. Maybe they're meeting up with me, but you know me, I'm determined for the beach, so that's all that matters. Nothing compares to a California beach or like the Portuguese beach or like a tropical beach, but it's like giving like state beach from California, like somewhere between like Huntington and Beach. So yeah, I'm gonna tan here for a bit, read my book. I'm currently reading Iron Widow by and it's really good. So I'm gonna tan for the next hour or so and then probably head back to Brugge and meet up with my roommate. Yeah, I don't know if any of them are meeting up with me, but nothing will stop me from getting some beach time. It was all gone on the water, but it's so the water in the video I'll show you. You saw in the last video, but I'll show you again. It's like, I think it's low tide, so it's so far out, but you can't go like closer to the water because it's all wet. So yeah. Met up with me for a brief second, but I need to make it to our time to meet up at the train station with Madeline. So I'm gonna go do that. I guess Amber's straying. Well, maybe we'll meet up later. Let's see. Out of 10 food. Would go back and recommend. Madeline, yeah, agree.
I'd ride that sushi wave all day.
had Belgian waffles. We've ate lunch/dinner, early dinner. And now my roommates are doing dance classes. I did not wear the right shoes for keys. So I was walking around shopping, but now all the shops are closed, so I might be heading back. But I'm gonna film some more clips of me walking around town before I make it back to the train station. Another day, another adventure. Today is a bare-faced adventure. We're going to the flea market. I'm whispering because my roommates are still asleep. It's 11:30 and I meant to go at 11, but we're going now. So let's go to the flea market in Belgium, Brussels, Belgium.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me...
Finished at the flea market, so now I'm gonna try and hit up some vintage stores before I gotta head to my salsa and bachata class.
You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog by going to a salsa/bachata class with my roommates. I'm about to go meet up with one of them for the class, and then my other roommate's gonna meet up with us. So yeah, let's get going. real time. This vlog was months ago, but I forgot to end it off. So I'm here to end it off. I hope you enjoyed this Brussels vlog. Stay tuned for more Brussels vlog. And then the next location, if you follow me on other socials, you already know what it is. But yeah, exciting. I'm glad you guys are enjoying these travel vlogs, and I am too. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.